Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, firstly prepare cloth or other fabric. Then park your car on flat surface. Let it rest for 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Now remove the dipstick, clean it, place it back, remove it and check oil level right here. Oil should reach middle of those two markings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.